quiz and fun. Farm animals. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the name of this bird? A. Turkey. Hen. Rooster. Pigeon. Time's up. The correct answer is the rooster. Question number 2. Which animal do we get milk from? The goat, rabbit, cow, horse. Time's up. The correct answer is the goat and the cow. Question number 3. Dog sweats through which part of its body? The tail, back, paws, head. Time's up. The correct answer is the paws. Question number 4. Which one has the biggest egg size? The chicken, goose, duck, turkey. Time's up. The correct answer is the goose. Question number 5. Which animal is known by eating carrot? The cat, dog, rabbit, pigeon. Time's up. The correct answer is the rabbit. Question number 6. How many stomach compartments does a cow have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Time's up. The correct answer is 4 compartments. Question number 7. Can you range from small to big? Donkey, sheep, rabbit, horse. Time's up. The correct answer is rabbit, sheep, donkey, horse. Question number 8. Can you arrange from big to small? Cat, cow, dog, camel. Time's up. The correct answer is camel, cow, dog, cat. Question number 9. What is the dog's most developed sense? The taste, smell, sight, hearing. Time's up. The correct answer is the smell. Question number 10. Which bird is a symbol of peace? The parrot, penguin, swan, dove. Time's up. The correct answer is the dove. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button.